This video explains how DNA is packaged in our cells. As we saw earlier, a gene is a section of DNA coding for a protein. The DNA in our cells forms structures called chromosomes. Each chromosome is a separate molecule of DNA. Like winding a long piece of yarn around a spool to make it compact, a long DNA molecule is wound around proteins. This forms a chromosome. Genes are found on chromosomes. Humans have 23 different chromosomes. We arrange them in order of decreasing size and then give them numbers. A particular gene is always found in the same location of a specific chromosome. Suppose person A has a gene for eye color in chromosome 15. Another person B would also have the gene for eye color in the same location of chromosome 15. The location of genes is fixed. All of us have a gene affecting hair color on a specific location of chromosome 16. The same location on a different chromosome would have a different gene. We get one set of 23 chromosomes from our mother and another set of 23 chromosomes from our father. We have 2 copies of each kind of chromosome. This means that we have 2 different copies of each gene. You inherit one copy of the gene for eye color from your mother and another copy from your father. Since we have 2 different copies of all genes, we are called diploid. Ploidy is the number of sets of chromosomes that an organism has. Humans are diploid with 2 sets of chromosomes. Many plants have a different ploidy. For example, wheat plants are hexaploid. They have 6 sets of chromosomes. This means they have 6 different copies of each of their chromosomes. In humans, chromosomes 1 to 22 do not determine our gender. The last pair of chromosomes determine our gender and are called sex chromosomes. Chromosome 23 comes in 2 varieties, X and Y. The X chromosome is larger and contains more genes. The smaller Y chromosome has some genes that are common with the X chromosome and some genes that are unique to males. Males have one X and one Y. They get an X chromosome from their mother and a Y chromosome from their father. Females have 2 X chromosomes. They get X chromosomes from their mother and their father. We have 21,000 protein coding genes. This is only 2% of our genome. This means that only a small proportion of the DNA in the chromosomes we just looked at actually code for proteins. So what about the remaining 98% of our genome? We know that some of it is important in controlling gene expression. That is, deciding which genes are used to make proteins. But the function of a lot of it remains a mystery. You now understand how genes are grouped together in chromosomes.